Okay, I think we should get started. It's 1:40 and I'm leaving in less than an hour. But the good news is I already showered, my hair is dry, and I'm dressed. So all I need to do is my face. What are we gonna do? I have a bunch of new makeup here in front of me. So I think we're just gonna like play around today. So I just put on this EOS chapstick. It's in chapstick. It's in the like original relax scent. It's like no scent at all. It is super moisturizing. I love it so much. So I start off always like with that. I like to have like a little bit of moisture. So basically I'm just gonna play around with my makeup today. We're going to see Cole Swindell and I want to say the Suffolk place, I don't know, somewhere out in Long Island, somewhere I've never been to before. So yeah, I am just gonna hop right into this. So if you're interested to see how I get to look like the thumbnail, I don't even know what it's gonna be, but if you want to see how I get there, then just keep on watching. I'm just gonna start off with this moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer for a while now. It's very just light. I really like how light it is. I like to use my Clean and Clear Dual Action a lot. I always use that, but lately I've just been a little bit more sensitive with my skin, so I like this one a lot better. It smells really good too. And lately, the only primer I've been using is this Cover FX Blurring Primer. It's almost done. Like, ugh. But I love this guy. So I'm just gonna put it on my T-zone area. I keep looking over here because I have my mirror here. I mentioned in my last video that I have a new filming setup, so I'm still trying to figure it out, but like in front of me is the regular like outside natural lighting window. And yeah, I'm just trying to see where everything works for right now. It seems like it does, but you guys will have to let me know. So lately for foundation, I've been doing a mix of this Physicians Formula's Healthy Choice and Milani's Conceal and Perfect. I've also been dipping into a Bare Minerals. It's a liquid foundation. I got it from TJ Maxx. I want to say it was like $10 maybe. It was a really good price. I like it. I just actually don't have it up here where I'm filming. So I'm gonna stick to what I know works best. It's these two mixed together. My Physicians Formula is a little bit more runny, whereas the Milani's thicker. So together, it's a really good mix. I love it. Back on the brush game, I love this Japanese brush. It was definitely like a precision face kind of set, this and one other one. I love this brush. I've been obsessed with it. So I've been using this for my whole time off of not filming. I've probably used this 98% of the time. Maybe one time I've gone to my Real Technique sponge, but this guy, love it. Next thing is concealer. I use my Tarte Tape Shape. I always use this concealer. It's my favorite. I'm actually running low and I bought their new under eye concealer, which is like just for the under eyes, and then I returned it because I don't know, I just like never went for it, but I definitely need another concealer. Although it looks like I just had a lot of product on my face. I feel like it's just not all there. So those are the points that I like to clear up on my face. I always like to do my under eyes. I like to do by the chin, also by my top of the brows and down the bridge of my nose, just to use that as a highlighter as well. Also, when doing my under eyes, I like to bring the product up over onto my eyelid. I use it kind of as a primer. I just feel like instead of using another product as an eyelid primer, why not just use the concealer? It's already on my face and I'm just like blending out the product. Hush there for a second. Alright, so we're gonna leave that while we curl the lashes, put some mascara on. I'm not gonna do anything crazy today when it comes to the eyes because we're gonna be outside. It's just chill. I'm just gonna do mascara. No eyeliner. Also, yeah, the boyfriend likes it that way, so we'll do it for him. Just gonna curl these guys. I I think this is so funny because this is such a, like, in my eyes, it's like a dinky mascara. You can get it at any drugstore. It's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I feel like I've walked past this mascara so many times before. Randomly got it in like a little gift bag from Ulta, and I'm obsessed with it. It's given me such a beautiful lash, so that's what I'm gonna use today. It's a super simple mascara that you can get anywhere. It can't even be more than $6 or $7, but you'll see my lashes now versus what they're gonna look like, and I'm impressed. I like to really get it on the bottom, really get the root and shake it up. I feel like that really gives it like a bam effect. Bottom and like wiggle it up. All right, now that the eyelashes are done, let's do some eyebrows. And you know what? Let's wipe this guy off. So we're just gonna blend this out with the stippling brush. Okay. I'm gonna pop on some, ooh, I have new blush, which I'm super excited about. It's by Lauren Geller, and I got it. Everything I just keep mentioning is from BoxyCharm, but they've been hitting it up really well lately. I got the Baked Blush and Brightener. That's a whole nother story, actually, because I've been a Birchbox girl, and I just got BoxyCharm this year, and I actually canceled my Birchbox for the first time. I've been a member for over 4 years. So that's a whole nother story, loving BoxyCharm. So I got this Lauren Geller Baked Blush and Brightener. It is beautiful. I have been seriously waiting to use this, so I'm just gonna hit up the cheeks. Ooh. I'm gonna do like a little of this. Maybe drop like this. Alright, now I'm just getting crazy with it, but I do love it. Okay. Let's do the eyebrows. Going in, honestly, I have yet to find something better than this Flawless Brow Trio from BH Cosmetics. It is my favorite. I actually just ordered a new one because I'm almost done with this guy. So I'm just gonna do my brows. Now you see them like this. So the brows are done. I just love what a bold brow does. Just more finished. Okay, so I think we're kind of done. Let's just choose a lip, and then it's just like my natural cowgirly style. Okay, never gonna do that one again. Uh-oh, let's set it and forget it. So we got this guy. I actually got this when I was in Mohegan Sun. I love it. It is the Hangover 3-in-1 Too Faced. I have the primer, the actual like liquidy primer, and this one is the setting primer, or setting, right? Yeah, it says replenishing primer and setting spray. Love it. Whew. Yeah, that's good. All right, for lips today, I want to keep it simple. I'm kind of just like looking around to see like, what do I have? Let's see. I'm into this. So this is Too Faced's Lip Injection Glossy. This is in the color Milkshake. Milkshake. It's a bit of a plumper. We're gonna do it. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I'm super excited to go see Cole Swindell for the first time. This is definitely just an everyday look. I definitely like how it came out. We'll see how it holds up outside. I have my cowgirl hat, so I'm definitely ready. Oh god. Super country right now. I don't know, like I can't decide if I can rock this or not. I think it's weird. Alright. If I ever moved down south, this would be the look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video next week. Bye guys.